have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Gattu, Chinky and expenses. It was Sunday and Mummy was making breakfast in the kitchen.
Mummy, today will you make my favorite halwa? You said you will make it on Sunday.
Yes, I remember. I will make it. But before that, bring a packet of milk and bread from Mohan uncle's shop.
Why should I go to buy things? If you are making Gattu's favorite halwa, then he should do the work.
Hey Chinky dear, I will make something of your choice in the evening.
Hearing this, Chinky's face lit up. And she quickly got ready to go to Mohan uncle's shop with Gattu.
Mohan uncle, please give us a packet of milk and bread.
Mohan uncle gave both the things to the children. And in return, Chinky gave him a 100-rupee note and said,
Uncle, take this money.
Children, your total bill was 98. And children, take these 2 toffees from me in exchange of 2 rupees. Actually, I don't have change. Gattu Chinky happily took the toffees from Mohan uncle. That's good, my toffees are also selling and children are also happy. This is called double benefit. After coming home, Gattu Chinky gave the stuff to Mummy. Then Mummy asked the children,
Gattu, all the stuff costs 98 rupees. Then where are the remaining 2 rupees?
Mummy, Mohan uncle gave us toffees in exchange of the remaining 2 rupees.
Okay then, give me those toffees.
But those toffees are ours, Mummy, right?
Hearing this from the kids, Papa interjected to explain to the kids and said, No dear, those toffees are not yours. Kids, you are getting them in exchange for money. That is why their value is equal to money.
But Papa, we already ate the toffees.
Okay, nothing to worry about today. But next time, take money in exchange of money from Uncle Mohan.
Gattu Chinky nodded at Mummy's words and went to watch the TV.
This Mohan uncle is very clever. He fools the kids by giving them toffees.
Hey, don't worry. The kids have understood. Now tomorrow they will not take his toffees. Mummy sent Gattu Chinky to Mohan uncle's shop again the next day to get milk and bread. And this time also, Mohan uncle gave Gattu Chinky 2 toffees instead of money. But this time, Chinky refused to take the toffee because she remembered what Mummy had said.
No, Uncle, we don't want toffees. You just return the remaining money.
Dear, where is my shop running away? You also take some stuff from me in exchange of the toffees. Chinky went quiet and both of them again brought the toffees home. Today again seeing less money, Mummy said,
Today again, both of you ate toffees in exchange of money. If you eat toffees every day, your teeth will get spoiled. Understand?
Seeing Mummy's anger, Papa called Gattu Chinky near him and said, From today do one thing, Gattu Chinky, so that both of you will be saved from Mohan uncle's toffees and Mummy's scolding.
What can we do, Papa?
Nothing. You just have to give some test.
Test? But what kind of test?
From today, both of you start collecting your toffees in this jar. Till you do not collect 100 toffees, neither of you will eat a single toffee. Okay? This is your first test, a control test.
Then what will happen, Papa?
First collect 100 toffees and pass your first test. Gattu and Chinky started collecting 2 toffees in that jar every day. And Mummy was happy that the kids are eating less and less toffees now. Then one day Papa called Gattu and Chinky and asked, Gattu Chinky, how many toffees have you collected in your jar? Gattu Chinky started counting the number of toffees and happily told Papa,
Papa, till now only 50 toffees have been collected.
Okay, that means you still have to collect 50 more toffees. Gattu Chinky now started going to Mohan uncle's shop to buy bread and milk every day in excitement. And happily started taking his toffees in exchange of money. And started collecting them in their jar. Mohan uncle also used to cleverly give 2 toffees to the children in exchange of 2 rupees every day. Then one day, Chinky saw that the jar was completely filled with toffees. When Chinky counted the toffees, she jumped up in joy.
Gattu, now we have collected total 100 toffees. Let's go and tell Papa.
Gattu Chinky happily went to Papa and told him,
Papa, we have collected total 100 toffees in our jar.
"Wow kids, you have passed one test. You collected these toffees by showing control, by not eating toffees. But now it is time for the second test.
Second test. I thought that after these 100 toffees, you will give us a gift.
You'll get a gift, but you both are going to give that gift. Now listen, you both have to bring tomorrow's milk and bread yourself without taking money from mummy, with your own money.
What? Milk and bread without money? How is that possible, Papa?
Use your brain and pass this other test. Bring a packet of milk and bread for the house without taking money from mummy, with your own money. Gattu Chinky were very worried. They were not able to understand what was this test that Papa was taking. Just then, a scrap collector came to the house and mummy gave him newspaper, and in return the scrap collector gave her money. Seeing this, Chinky's eyes sparkled and she jumped with happiness.
I understood Papa's test.
What, Chinky? Explain me too.
Tomorrow morning, you will also understand, Gattu.
Next morning, when mummy gave 100 rupees to the children, Chinky refused to take the money.
Mummy, today we will bring milk packets and bread from our own money.
Papa looked at the children while reading the newspaper and started smiling. Mummy did not understand anything, and Gattu Chinky went to Mohan uncle to get milk and bread without taking money from mummy.
What happened to these kids? What money do they have?
Gattu Chinky reached Mohan uncle's shop, and like every day, Mohan uncle gave them a packet of milk and a packet of bread and kept 2 toffees with it.
What happened, Uncle? You still don't have any change?
No dear, your stuff worth 98 and 2 toffees from my side for both of you. After this, Chinky took out a jar of toffees and while giving it to uncle said,
Take this, Uncle. Your 100 rupees.
Seeing the jar full of toffees, Mohan uncle's eyes widened up completely and he was stunned to see the saving power of the children. And he said, Wow! Amazing children! You have done an amazing job today. For so many days you have not eaten a single toffee.
Uncle, we should not spoil our teeth by eating toffees every day.
Gattu Chinky came back home with milk and bread and gave it to mummy. Mummy was surprised and said to Gattu Chinky,
But kids, where did you get the money from?
Mummy, we started collecting the toffees that we got daily. And this is the magic of that.
Wow! See kids, 100 toffees means 100 rupees. This is called the power of saving. If you ate those toffees daily, you would have ruined your teeth and benefited Mohan uncle. But by saving, you have saved your health and earned a full 100 rupees as well.
But Papa, today also Mohan uncle gave us 2 toffees in exchange of 2 rupees.
Today's toffees are a gift for both of you. Eat them and enjoy. I told you that you guys will give a gift to each other.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.